Hi everyone, today we are going to learn our T sound. Press on the T. Okay, do some revision first. What is the sound for S? What is the sound for S? Very good. Can press on the S to double check. Very good. And what is the sound for the letter A? Okay, is it correct? Very good. Okay, parent, please help to read the story to your child. And then we go to the action part. Okay, how to do the T sound? Do the action for the T. We turn your head to the left and right while doing the T sound. T, t, t. Go to the flashcard. Click on the flashcard. What is the sound for letter T? Full screen. This is the curvy T. Press it 3 times. Very good. And we go to the blending cards. Click on the flashcards. And how to blend this word. Press on the letter.
Sat.
Sat.
Again. 2 more times.
Sat.
Sat.
Again.
Sat.
Sat.
Okay, very good. Go to the next.
At.
At.
Very good. If can you do it 3 times for each. Okay, go to the sound. Which of these words does not contain the T sound? What is this?
Teddy.
Very good. And what is this?
Tortoise.
Okay, this one?
Tennis.
And what about this?
Sun.
Okay. All these 3 has very good T sound. Letter T inside. And this one, the sun, does it have any T?
No.
Okay, no. So press on the sun.
Sun.
Very good. Go to the writing part. Okay, how to write? You listen. Very good. And what is this? Very good. You can get a paper or just ask them to trace beside you. Okay, now go to the song part. Okay. Megan will do the action while singing.
When I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth.
Okay, again. When I watch the tennis game, when I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Very good. Thank you, Megan.
Welcome.